beautiful friends, my name is Katie, and in today's video we are taking some thrifted Converses and I'm going to show you how to take some like really gross Converses and make them better. I mean, they're not perfect by any means. So these I got at the thrift store actually in 2019 and they were a whole 75 cents, and I can tell why. But I've always wanted white Converses and I was like, oh, they're in my size, they're so cheap, they're perfect. So that is why I decided to buy them. So let's get started. Here are my lovely thrifted white Converses. In this lighting you can see like they don't look that bad, but once I got them inside you can see like, oh dear, they are definitely super bad. So I'm going to take off any stickers that the Converses might have on them, and then I'm going to delace them. And this is where you can tell that these have been through something. They are dirty. To get these shoes nice and clean, I'm going to start by filling a small sink with hot water, and I'm going to add laundry detergent, borax, and also OxyClean. I would recommend doing between a cup and a cup and a half of each of these. And then I'm also going to add some super washing soda. And this is what's really going to just make these nice and clean. And once you have enough water to completely submerge your shoes, you're going to sink your shoelaces and your shoes in them. And then I'm going to turn my shoes over. The bulk of that fabric is going to be sinking down in the solution. And then I'm going to soak them for 30 minutes. Now, after 30 minutes, I'm going to take a scrubber brush. I got the scrubber brush at the dollar store. Definitely don't want to use my normal dishwashing scrubber brush for this, and you're just going to start scrubbing. I started at the bottom rubber part and holy cow, it started getting white so quickly. This works so well. It does require a little bit of the good old-fashioned elbow grease to really get it super nice and white, but I'm just going to keep scrubbing all around to get these guys clean. And after I've scrubbed as much as I'm willing to scrub them, I'm going to throw them in my washer and just put them in a normal cycle and then leave them out in the sun to dry. And here are the results. So as you guys can tell, these are way whiter than what they were. You can tell on this rubber part especially how much cleaner they are. It's not white like these are brand new by any means, but they are definitely just so much cleaner. And also what I really love about this tutorial is that you know that they are clean. I'm always a little weary about shoes. They're not my favorite thing to thrift. But once you've done this tutorial, I'm like, these are clean. I can put these on. So these will be fine and perfect to wear on a summer day. So that is all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out and it's just awesome. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!